Feeling mo maliit pa ang income mo, maliit pa ang business mo, maliit pa savings mo? Good! Kasi sa Bible, God multiplies what starts small. Sabi sa Luke 16:10, whoever is faithful with little will be entrusted with much. Ibig sabihin, hindi issue kung maliit ang start mo, my friend. Ang mahalaga, faithful ka sa meron ka ngayon. Si David, shepherd boy lang yun, naging king. Yung 5 loaves and 2 fish, pinakain ang libo-libo. Little plus God equals overflow. So today, honor God with your small start, be faithful, keep growing, kasi promotion is coming. Comment mo dyan below. Small start, big God. Like and follow for more Bible-based money wisdom. God bless.